This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Giuseppe S. Zerillo. Look no further with this spectacular new Lenox home on public water and sewer. Tons of natural sunlight enters the home and gleams off the hardwood floors throughout the open floor plan main level, bedrooms, and lower level family room areas. Updated kitchen and bathrooms. Solid oak doors and trimming. Master bedroom with nice size walk-in closet and its own full bathroom. Mudroom located just off your 5-car tandem garage, which is currently being used as an additional hangout area. Enjoy your very own backyard oasis with a huge deck off the kitchen area surrounding the above-ground swimming pool. Custom-built fire pit area towards the back of this gigantic fully fenced-in 300-foot lot. No need to keep the lawnmower and tools in the garage with a huge storage shed as well. Tons of storage throughout the property, including in the finished basement. Roof, gutters, vents were installed in 2018. Pool and deck in 2016. Enough parking for everyone right on the property. You will not be disappointed. Come see this one for yourself. For more information, review